What if I told you that a grid EA could actually survive trending markets instead of blowing out accounts? You know, most grid boards fail because they place orders blindly at every level, and that works actually until the market trends very hard in one direction and wipes everything out. But what if the grid was smarter? That is why I'm introducing the Vega system. It is a professionally built white label trading system designed for traders who want consistency, controlled risk, and intelligent automation. This is not just your average copy and paste Forex robots. The Vega system here it uses advanced grid strategy designed to survive even in trending markets. So instead of blindly stacking positions, it focuses on smarter trade management and controlled exposure. It comes with a built-in news filter to avoid dangerous volatility and a low drawdown management. And it comes with intelligent grid execution, not just random entries, and it focuses on consistent monthly returns. So there is no magic here. This is just a system built with risk and longevity in mind. Here is a live look at the strategy in performance running inside my MT5 and today's trade performance as well. The goal here is not chasing crazy profits overnight or trying to double your accounts in one day. That is not what we are doing here. The goal here is steady, repeated performance. So if you want to get early access right now or results and full details about the Vega system, join the Telegram now below through the link in the description, and don't wait until everyone already knows about it. Make sure that you are subscribed because I'm going to be dropping videos, updates on these robots.